We begin by setting up our shared utility library in the Angular Monorepo workspace. Using Angular CLIS generate command, we create a new library named shared utils, setting utils as the prefix for its selectors. This gives us a clean separation of our shared code, which can then be used across multiple projects within the Monorepo. Inside our shared utils library, we define a utility class named stringUtils. The class has a static method called capitalize. When invoked, it takes a string argument, capitalizes the first character, and returns the modified string. Thanks to its static nature, we can call this method without needing to instantiate the class. Now, let's wrap our stringUtils within an Angular module. We create shared utils module, importing common module for common Angular directives. We haven't declared any components or directives, hence the declarations array is empty. Crucially, we export stringUtils, making it available for import in other modules throughout our Monorepo. Now, let's use our utility module in an application. In the apps root module, typically named app module, we import shared utils module. This makes the utilities it exports, in our case stringUtils, available in the scope of this app. The utility library could similarly be imported in any other app or library within the Monorepo. Here's an example of using the stringUtils class in a component. In the example component, title is defined with a lowercase string. When the component initializes with ng on init, we call stringUtils capitalize to transform title and update it to have an uppercase first letter, demonstrating the utility's functionality.